Pampered Chef party a couple weeks ago. We just got our new blender. So I'm going to demo it and show you how the new blender is going to work for us. So it says to add the ingredients in the order of the recipe. So that's going to be 1/4 cup of vegetable broth. We're then going to add a teaspoon of salt, 2 Roma tomatoes. It then says, should bring the book over here, sorry guys. The whole tomatoes, it's a 28-ounce whole tomatoes skinned. We're going to use half of an onion and 2 garlic cloves. I've got minced garlic, which was about 1 teaspoon. We're going to put our lid on. It tells me my lid is sealed. We are now going to turn the knob until it goes to soup. It's set for soup. So it's done blending a little bit. It's now heating. It's got a little heating. Let me go ahead and move you guys closer. So it's actually heating up and it'll go to a temp. I think it blends some more. It tells me when it's done, and then after that we add the basil. It's now up to 203 degrees. It's boiling and it keeps stirring itself, so it's not running the whole time. So it heats, stirs. But we've got boiling soup right now. I gotta wait for it to shut off to add the basil. So now it's boiling and it's gotten to temp. It started a countdown, so we got 12 minutes. So now it's ended, and we're gonna take our lid. Ouch! It says to be careful, hot lid. What did I do? We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of basil leaves. Carefully put our lid back on. The beeps tell you your lid's back on. Now we're gonna pulse it to mix the basil. Check that. Okay. We're gonna cancel. Our soup's done. It took maybe 5 minutes of prep, a whole 25 minutes to cook. I am going to pour my tomato soup. Sorry if you guys are getting a bad view, but I've got tomato soup. So now we're going to, I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit because that's really hot. And then I will come back in a couple of minutes and show you how to clean it. I've let that cool down about 5-10 minutes so it wasn't so hot. And this is the easy cleanup. You put water up to the 3 cup, or just 3 cup of water. Just a drop or 2 of soap. Put your lid on, and you just keep turning the knob till it says heated wash. Push the button. So it switched around a little bit. It's now heating to temp. Okay, so we're going to take it off the mixer. It's making its noise. Take the lid off. The lid still has a little bit, but not much. I'll just put a little soap, wash it down with a sponge. The inside basically got most of it cleaned. I would say, again, just the edge. So I'd say a little soap on your sponge. Easy wipe down on the outside. But be careful on submerging mechanicals. And that cleaned out really well. I mean, I hate cleaning blenders. You usually have to take them apart. This one's self-cleaned. So just spray a little soap on here. An easy wipe down. So we've got all our soap out. That even comes out. And then just let it set and dry. So that's my demo on the blender, and I have never ever in my life made tomato soup. I don't eat a lot of tomato soup. My husband does. We went ahead and made tomato soup. The recipe actually was pretty good. I did taste it. I was actually pretty impressed. 5 minutes prep, 25 minutes to cook it, and less than 5 minutes to clean it. You can't beat that.